Mo fresh tagamay. Gamay ra kay tatur na ikatag. Hi Ace. Wala pa ko na katilaw te. Ay isa gyud tilawi dudong kay na. Lisod. Hanapan ni mo lisod ra panahon ron lisod mag-build og pamilya karon. Lalo na pag wala pa kang stable job. Dapat may pera. What are you doing? Going to a party? Oh, I understand now. Hey girl, how's your day going? I'm good, thank you. No, I'm just here in house. I don't want to go outside. Just going to the kitchen, cooking breakfast. Wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-ayos-ayos ba para ano? Para kahit nasa bahay tayo, maayos naman tayo. Naiinis ako sa signal, guys. Kasi minsan kasi bigla-bigla akong lalabas. So, ready na ako always. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm gone. It's because of the signal. Kasi bigla-bigla akong ayan. Para naman maayos tayo. Hindi tayo masyadong haggard. Kelly check. Mahaba lang balahibo ko. Pangit na napili ko talaga. Kumusta naman inyong mga kilikili dyan? This is the situation of my Kelly right now. Ay. Madilim na kahapon. Thank you, Roselle. You got girlfriend. Yeah. But I'm hungry. Please share. Bye, auntie. Bye. Eat your meal. Enjoy your meal. Brandon, hello. How are you? Thank you for dropping by. Nice knowing you. Yeah, thank you so much. Take care. Take your time. Never mind me. You Philippine? Yes, I'm from Philippines. I hope we meet again. Yeah, sure. I go live every time. In one day, how many live I have. So yeah, you can visit my live. Thank you so much, darling. Brandon. I mean Ace. Tell your daughter I say hi. Yeah, sure. My daughter is not here with me. She's living with my aunt. And me, I am living with my boss. I am working here. This is not my own house, guys. I am just working here. I love Lady Philippine. Wow, really? Thank you. Bye. Take care. Oh my gosh, there's a talong. There's the eggplant. I love eating eggplant, by the way. You pretty miss. Oh, thank you. I claim it. Friends, Jairo Zabala. Hello, Jairo. Good morning. Are you Filipino? Are you Filipino? Maayong buntag dyan. Ako'y nakasalamin. Sana all. Nakasalamin ka, so kitang-kita mo ako dyan.